Yo, so do you remember the last time when we were working on the bike that we were sanding the frame? Yeah, so well, sorry, I apologize. We've been busy and didn't bother recording, but here it is now. And I think it was the frame was a Dalium, Honda Dalium, an old school. It's like an old school Harley imitation, is what I call it. An old school Harley imitation bike. But I mean, it still runs and it's good, and it's an old bike. It was given for free, so I repaired it. And us and the kids, we started sanding it, putting it all together, started painting primer on it, pink primer, red primer, then to the black. So we're here up to here now. That's it there. That's the rims there that are painted. That's yellow, golden yellow on the wheels and yellow on the fenders. Well, it's my favorite color. And yeah, I like the bike. I like the color. These are the handlebars. Yeah, black. So if I got a picture on it, I'll show you the old one. But if you look back on my video, you'll see it. And that was the old bike to now, the before and now. Yeah, so we got the tankers in the container, and that's the back fender, and the monkey bars they have at the back here, and the back lights and everything. We'll keep it all original. The engine will painted with the hot spray paint, which is good. So this is show you on the other side. You got the normal chain that we used to have on there. I didn't have the covers for that to cover that, so that's kind of not good. Sucks. Yeah, but here it is anyway. So that's the bike there, okay? So yeah, from that old one, remember that old bike? From this old bike on my laptop here.
No, he's recording.
I'll mute that.
After.
Play that. So that's the bike there. See how it's all rusted here? That's all rusted on the wiring. Yeah. That was the bike right there, the tank. The tank had it. Yeah, see the tank? Yeah. Now, the tank looks really good now. I'll show you in the muffler. Let's go and have a look. These are old parts for our bike here and other here. I'm stuck here. Yeah, daddy man here. And there it is here. There's our tank. So I've put it in the container to keep it away from dust in there, but they keep coming in here and opening up the container. Yeah, that's our tank. Had a little hole on the side after sanding, two holes. But yeah, seems okay now. That's our mufflers. 2 of them hanging up. Black. So that's it. I don't know whether we were going to put it on today or tomorrow. Yeah. So probably put these onto shorts or put it down as one whole video. Now let's go back to the bike. Yeah, so sorry about that. That was before I made the mistake. Yeah, didn't bother recording. We were just too busy holding the phone, holding, the gimbal. And then at the same time working on it. It's just so hard. I don't know how you other YouTubers, man, you're really good at it. They're doing it, but for me, man, but my nephew, Tony, man, you see him, he's underneath his car. He's everywhere, hey. He's working on it and that with the GoPro at the same time. So, and then this bike here, this is an old bike that we got from a papa, an old fella that his daughter owned it and she left. And the bike was sitting there getting rusted away, so he just saw us and said, hey, look, he wanted something in return too, so. That's right, Ruta! Ruta! Hi, hurry up! Yeah. Oh, my daughters gone toilet. Funny thing is, they're both gone one each toilet. Yeah. At the same time. It's like they planned it together and said, yeah, I'm in toilet. Yeah, you go to the other toilet, I'll go to the other. So we got one long drop this that goes outside, then we got one English one. So you say, yeah, one inside house toilet. Yeah, well, there we have it. That's the bike. So we're almost done. Tomorrow we should be driving it. Yeah, should be driving it. Hopefully. And here goes my daughter pulling my son, her brother. Let's have a look. Yeah, that still works. Just need a battery. So you can still drive it around. Yeah, got a cool muffler on it. Ready? I'll help him push. Ready? Jump on. Go. Pedal. Hey, go straight. Go. Go. Pedal. Straight. Keep it straight. Go. Go. Pedal. 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 Don't stop.
Help me! Help me!
Yeah, you can't pull it.
That's right.
I'm not pulling it. I'm gonna go. Okay, I tell your son.
Are you okay?
No, come on, Hunter.
No, I'm gonna do like this shit in your mouth.
Hunter, do the one.
Yeah. What?
This shit like you talk.
No.
Whoa, son, got it. Use your mountain bike.